At the Singapore Airshow, a Boeing 777X demonstrated exclusive flight. The outstanding aeroplane features combined with cutting-edge technology will undoubtedly help a significant number of airlines. The new Boeing 777X will be the world's largest and most fuel-efficient twin-engine aeroplane, with unrivaled performance in every category. The 777X will consume 10% less fuel, emit 10% less pollution, and have 10% lower operating costs than the competition because to significant advancements in aerodynamics and engines. The most unique aspect of the 777X is undoubtedly its wing design. These new wings are built with carbon composites and are 71.75 meters in length. This allows for more aerodynamic efficiency, some amount of wing flex, and significant fuel savings. It has a range of 16,000 kilometers and a single-class seating capacity of 380 to 426 passengers. The 777X is a real family with low risk, profitable growth, industry-leading reliability, and seamless connection with the 777 and 787 Dreamliner families for added flexibility. Currently, 9 airlines have placed orders for Boeing 777X aircraft, with Emirates placing the largest order of 115 aircraft. As of 2022, the aircraft has a net order of 334. It has a takeoff weight of 351 tons and can carry 158.9 tons of fuel. It is powered by a GE9X engine, which is one of the largest commercial aviation engines ever produced. This aircraft is also larger than its competitors in terms of cargo. The majority of its technology is sourced from the Boeing 787 aeroplane, with added benefits for customer stratifications.
has 334 orders from 8 customers from around the world, including Singapore Airlines.